welcome back to another video. I'm going to do another burping video because the last burping video I did, it doubled my subscriptions. If that happens again, I'll have 16 subscribers, and then again 32, and it'll go on like that forever.
Wait, how many subscribers do you have?
8.
What?
I have 8 subscriptions.
What?
I have 8 subscribers, Connor. That's my idiot.
For one video?
Yeah, I gained 4 subscribers from one video. I've already got 3 comments on it, and I uploaded it yesterday. People love my videos, and it's already got 23 views.
Only 5 subscribers.
Yeah, he used to have more subscribers than me, but I have way more than him.
Like 3 more than me.
Yeah, and after this video, I'm probably going to have like 20 more than you, Connor. Okay, I'm going to do another Biggest Burps episode. What do you do? What do you do?
I'm video in my garage.
Because Avery went to sleep at our house and I don't want to wake her up. Okay. Last burping video I did, as you heard, it doubled my subscriptions. And also, what I'm going to do is just my biggest burps. Biggest burps ever.
Dude, stop doing burp videos. It's annoying.
I can imagine, like, in the future when people watch this video, they're probably going to think that my burps are fake, but they're real. They're real burps. I promise you that.
Smells like crap out here.
Smells like you out there. But it's basically the same thing, so. Okay.
Like, why do you
Yeah. I really don't like doing this because sometimes I feel like I'm going to throw up when I burp, but.
Hey, check the garage.
Connor, come here. Connor.
What?
Come here a second.
Second.
Come here.
What?
Come here, then I'll give a shout out to your channel. Come here.
Why you have a burp machine?
What?
I know, right?
Why you have a burp machine? Burps are fake.
My burps. Okay, you try and burp now. Now compare that to this.
That's actually me doing it.
He's an idiot. They all try and make my channel look fake and stuff, but real channel, real videos, real. Okay. Next burp. I'm gonna try and do the longest burp I can. No, the one I did before was the longest burp I could do. Okay. I can do a weird burp, like I'm breathing inwards instead of burping out. Okay, listen. Do you hear that? It sounds so creepy. Listen. He's just breathing out. You can't really do it. Oh, it stinks. It stinks over here. Crap. Okay. Devil burp. And I can talk when I'm burping as well. Okay. My burps are, why would somebody make a random burp machine? It doesn't make sense. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna say something while I'm burping.
They suck. They suck balls.
Yeah. It's really hard to do that.
Are they hot?
Okay, I'm gonna say my name.
Bright colors well.
Okay.
You're disgusting.
No, I'm awesome. You should have seen how many views I had on my last video.
Like 6.
No. Got 600.
Wow.
Like,
Probably about 400.
Lion, you probably got like 6 videos.
Nuh-uh.
You did
The lowest. Okay. Also, check out my other videos. Subscribe. Tell your friends about my channel. It's summer, so.
It probably isn't even be the worst video you ever took.
No. The worst video I ever took was what?
Post it.
It's not. The worst video I ever made was when Connor was in one. Those are the worst videos ever.
Okay, the only thing you do on this is kickflip ollie and tippy.
Okay. Just tell me to do more challenges on my channel. You can see him in the background.
What's the mortgage?
Okay. That's the end of the video. If you want me to do more challenges, say in the comments what kind of challenge you made up for me to do, and I'll see if I can do it. Okay. Bye, guys.